Students,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you all?
We are fine, thank you. What about you, ma'am?
I am fine, thank you. So, do you see a picture in front of you?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that picture?
It's raining.
It's raining, and you?
It's a rainy season.
It's a rainy season, true. That picture looks like a rainy season. But have you seen rain in other season?
No.
No, you?
Yes, ma'am.
Which season?
Summer season.
Wow, summer season. How do you feel?
Excellent.
Excellent, and you?
Cool.
Cool, because there is hot, is it not? So then we shall learn today poem Rain in Summer. I shall read the first stanza. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. Can you find some rhyming words?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me those rhyming words.
Rain, lane, heat, street.
Very good. These are the rhyming words which ends with the same pronunciation. Now repeat after me. Fiery street.
Fiery street.
What is the meaning of fiery? Looking like fire.
Looking like fire.
Hot and bright.
Hot and bright.
In the summer, sun was very hot and the street seemed to be on fire. The heat was so much. Now I will explain this stanza. The summer is very hot and the houses and the roads are dust laden. Means there is dust. Then comes the rain, which looks very, very beautiful because there was rain in the summer. Now listen to the second stanza. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoops. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Can you find some rhyming words, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me those.
Roofs, hoops. Out, spout.
Very good. Now, do you see a word clatters?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that clatter means? Clatter means the sound of rain. The sound of rain. Now, there is a meaning, clatter in the book, make rapid short knocking sounds. And what is the meaning of hoop? Hoop means horn-like part of an animal's foot. Here, the horse's foot. Next is tramp. Sound of heavy footsteps. Spout. Pipe to throw out water from the roof. Now I'll explain to you the meaning of this stanza. In the beginning, it makes a loud sound like the footsteps of a running horse over the roofs. The dust, the waste and the rainwater gushes out the outlet pipe with great struggle. And that is there, the poet mentions there, gushes and struggles out. Now I shall come to the stanza 3. Across the window pane it pours and pours, and swift and wide, with the muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars, the rain, the welcome rain. Can you find some rhyming words, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me those.
Pours, roars. Wide, tide.
Very good. Now, there are meanings. What is the meaning of gutter? Do you know?
No.
No. Meaning is channels at the sides of a road to carry away rainwater. Do you know the meaning of tide?
No.
You don't know, no? So the meaning of tide is swift flow. Swift means fast flowing water. Now I'll explain you the third stanza. Water, water everywhere because it is raining everywhere, in the house, outside, on the roof, window panes, everywhere. And the house window panes are dripping with water. The roadside gutters are overflowing with a loud noise like a river in the floods. Such rain is most welcome during summer season. See how good we feel when there is rain in the summer season. We feel cool, calm, and excellent, as you said in the beginning. Did you like the poem, students?
Yes, ma'am.
See, now who has written this poem, you know?
No.
You don't know. The poet of this poem is H.W. Longfellow. Repeat after me.
H.W. Longfellow.
So, H.W. Longfellow is the poet of this poem. So, this is the explanation of the poem Rain in Summer. So, thank you, students, for being active in the class. Listen once more this and learn this.